Explore the pivotal role that construction equipment plays in shaping the cities of tomorrow at SellYourConstructionEquipment.com. Number 1. Pioneering progress. Construction equipment is at the heart of smart city development. From cutting-edge machinery to advanced technologies, we empower the creation of innovative urban landscapes. Number 2. Infrastructure transformation. Witness the transformation of traditional infrastructure into intelligent networks. Our website showcases equipment that lays the foundation for smart energy, transportation, and communication systems. Number 3. Seamless connectivity. Discover how construction equipment is instrumental in laying the groundwork for 5G and IoT connectivity. These essential tools forge the pathways for data-driven urban solutions. Number 4. Our commitment. At SellYourConstructionEquipment.com, we're committed to shaping smart cities. Our website is your portal to explore and invest in the machinery that drives the development of connected, efficient, and sustainable urban environments. Ready to pave the way to smarter cities? Visit SellYourConstructionEquipment.com or contact us at 214-773-0207. Embrace the role of construction equipment in forging a brighter, more connected urban future. Be the architect of change, build smart, and build tomorrow. Visit SellYourConstructionEquipment.com now and be part of the smart city revolution.